Hello, future toppers. Let's make maths simple, intuitive, and fun together. So, we got wholesome new problem which says a box contains three coins. So, we have three coins. One coin is fair, means first coin is having one side head, second side tail. Okay, one coin is two headed. Now, another coin is two headed. Two headed means both side it is having head and head. Okay, then we have one one coin is weighted. Now the next coin is what? It is weighted, means one of the side it has more weight. Okay, so its probability will change. It is not 1 by 2. Okay, probability of head appearing is 1 by 3. So this is your weighted coin. Suppose this is weights, we have some weight over here. Okay, so it will have inclination towards something. Right now it has head, it has tail. So probability of getting head is 1 by 3, means probability of getting tail would be 2 by 3, means this coin will give more number of tails as compared to heads. Okay, a coin is selected at random, means you have to select first coin and then toss. Now you have to toss. Okay, so first selection, then toss. Then the probability that head appears is, so you have to find out the probability of getting head. Now look at this, required probability. So like you know that you have to first select head, select coin. So you may have blue coin, you may have yellow coin, you may have green coin. So can I say that we will have fair coin and then we will get head because we want head. We may have double headed coin and then we want head. We may have weighted coin and then we have head. Is that okay? Now try to simplify things. So what is the probability of selecting fair coin? So there are three coins out of which one is fair. So it is 1 by 3. Now is your task completed? No. Now you have to toss this coin and now you have to find out the probability of getting head. So what is the probability of getting head? It is 1 by 2 because it's a fair coin. Now what is the probability of selecting double headed coin? Again it is 1 by 3. Okay, 1 by 3. Now what is the probability of getting head? It is 2 by 2. Both sides are having head only. Plus what is the probability of selecting weighted coin? 1 by 3 because there are 3 coins out of which one is weighted. Now what is the probability of getting head in this case? It is 1 by 3. Is that okay? Now you have to simplify things to get the final result. I hope the idea is clear and you guys can handle similar situations. So see you guys in next session of MathFlix.